In this video, we are going to see how we can easily resolve this error which says package failed updates dependency or conflict validation that normally arises whenever you try to open any picture or any PNG document or other image format using the photos. So let's see how we can quickly resolve that. So what we need to do is just head over to the start menu and right here settings, hit enter. On the left hand side, we have the option of apps. Click on that and we click on the installed apps. And here in the search bar, we will write photos here, or if you're using some external application for that, you will write it here. So once it shows up, you need to click on the three dots next to it and click on advanced options. And from here, we scroll all the way down to the reset option. First of all, we will try to repair and then reset. So first of all, let's click on repair. It will take some time, so sit back and relax while it completes that. So usually this will resolve the problem, but if not, you can switch to the second option, that is resetting it. So let's click on the reset, but just make sure this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including the preference and sign-in details. So if you want to continue, click on reset. And again, this will take some time and reset your photos. And that's about it. After that, the app will be restored to its original state, and you might need to sign out or even restart your PC to make that effective, and that is how it works. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.